In this video, I want to share with you how you can switch your account to Claude. So if you want to get all the memories that ChatGPT has been storing and all the memories that you have in ChatGPT to Claude, that is something that is very possible. And I'm seeing a lot of people are switching their accounts to Claude. It is personal preference, or maybe you just want to try Claude. You can switch your account and bring all your memories from ChatGPT to Claude. All you have to do is just come down here on your account and come to settings. When you come to settings here, you're going to see all these options here. Click on capabilities. On capabilities, you're going to notice that now in Claude, you have the memory. This is really powerful. You have to make sure that this is turned on. You turn this on, and I already have these memories set up. But for you, if you want to set this up, you have to come and click on Start Import. You are going to import the memory from other AI providers. It can be Gemini or ChatGPT or any other provider that you use. So just click on Start Import. And here you're going to get number one, the prompt. You get this prompt and paste it into a chart that is your provider that you want to get the memories from. So just copy everything that we have in here. I'll copy everything and I'll bring it in ChatGPT. So you just come and paste all of that prompt here. Okay. So this is really powerful because it is going to get all the memories that you have in your ChatGPT. So as you talk and communicate with ChatGPT, it keeps certain memories for future use and references. Those memories are going to be kept under the personalization. And when you come here, it's going to open a pop-up box. When you come under personalization, just scroll down. You have a lot of personalizations here and it has memory. So right now, the memory for my ChatGPT account is 86% full. But yeah, you have a lot of memories in here. You can click on manage and you can see all the memories that ChatGPT has about you and what you customize it to remember. So what we want is to get all these memories and transfer them so we can have them in our Claude account. That is something that you'd want to do. So just paste this one here and you click on send. So when you click on send, you're going to notice that it's going to generate all the memories that it has about you and your workflows and everything that it remembers. So this is the memory that I've generated about my account. This is everything that it remembers about me. So yeah, I'll get everything here. Yeah, I'll just get everything here by clicking on the copy button on top here. I'll just click on copy and I'll bring this here. And all I have to do is paste these memories here and add to memory. So in here, I have all the memories about my workflows and everything that I do and my brand colors, etc. So this is really powerful because now Claude is going to remember everything you do and it's going to respond and communicate to you according to the context and the memories that it has about you. And you can transfer your memories from ChatGPT or any other account that has your memory and that has the context of you and your business. You can transfer all those memories to here. And the good thing about these memories is Claude regenerates this each night. And it does not include the projects which have their own specific memory also. So every night, Claude is going to regenerate and update this memory depending according to what you communicate and the conversations that you have with it. So this is updated daily. And yeah, you can edit this here if you want Claude to change something in your memory. You feel like it's not correct, or maybe you just want to change something here, you can just tell it to do things. This is how you can transfer your memories and your account from ChatGPT to Claude. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions concerning Claude and ChatGPT, yeah, just drop them in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.